first quarter, mayroon po tayo a total of 1,043 anti-theft operations na conducted. Then, 287 po sa first quarter, 242 for the second quarter, 291 sa third quarter, and 223 naman sa fourth quarter of 2025. For the drug personalities arrested, naka-arresto po yung PDEA ng 1,344 for 2025. So, 376 for first quarter, 302 for second quarter, 356 for third quarter, and 310 for fourth quarter. So, kanina po na-mention na ni RD yung amount or weight ng dangerous drugs seized in 2025. So, a total of 36,310.8694 grams for the 2025. For sa marijuana naman, a total of 386.3822 grams yung na-seize ng PDEA. So, sa first quarter, 117.2984 grams, 19.9528 grams for second quarter, and 247.9020 grams for third quarter, and finally 12.990 naman for fourth quarter.